Now, to finalize the process and test what we have done, let's go through the steps to check that the export will be right, and then proceed with the export and check it in our IFC model viewer. So to start, let's go into, from the back end, back to the publisher sets. Let's go to the M7. And now we're going to deliver this initial IFC file here on the top. And the way we're going to do that is simply by double clicking on it. That should be opening now a view. That view here. Let's verify which view are we talking about by going to the view map. And now we see that that view is the one sitting on session 1 for unit 1. Now we want that to be the correct export. So let's go and check the settings of that specific view. And in here, you should have the export settings, export to IFC, architectural plus the structural elements. 1:100, which scale is not really going to affect this. Architectural building plans, let's go this to detail, although it should be to detail already. No overrides, and under 3D only, we'll have that as it is. There's no filter elements. Let's check where nothing is being filtered, and it's only avoiding the zones at the moment. So let's click OK for now. And knowing that that is the element that will be exported, then let's double check that the information is connected and it's coming out. So back to the publisher. We'll check the translator. It's using the precise brep export. So let's go and double check that. And what we need to check in here in the case of properties that will be exported is first data conversion. And in here, you need to verify that what we are exporting are the properties that are set in the property mapping for this translator. Nothing else will be triggered at this moment. Let's go to the property mapping and let's go into the settings of that property. And what we should be able to see here is that walls, if we take it from the bottom, walls and under the Zigurat pset object description are linked to classifications, the program block, and the tab ID. So that will apply for walls, slabs, columns, and beams, like so. So I can verify that here on the right. So my mapping is right. Confirm your mapping is also correct. Next thing, you want to double check the IFC project manager. And I know that at this stage, it will be collecting quite a bit of information, so it may take a little bit of time to open. So be patient with that. So let's go File, IFC Project Manager. Like that. And now let's go and check. You can check all of the walls, or you can check just some of them randomly if necessary. And do remember to switch on only the items that have values and the items in the current translator. And then this information right here is a preview of what you'll find on the IFC. Like so. So I can tell there is already a classification of elements in there. And I have most of the information already populated in the file. So if we can trust this, then that information should coming out as we see it here. Once we have confirmed this, let's proceed with exporting the IFC by publishing from the list. So select selected items, then that one only, and hit publish. Once it's done, then you can close this and go ahead and open your IFC viewer. So let's check the file now in BIM Collab Zoom, which is what I have at the moment. And let's go into the type 3. And let's check a few items at a time. Let's go and check these beams. These are joists. And let's click on equal just to see where they are. So in the case of that, we should be able to find a tab for the Zigurat property sets. And effectively, you can see the classification there, the program block, and the type ID as we have asked the export to do it. Let's check a column, like so. And you can tell it also has the same set of properties that we have aiming for. Let's go and check for walls. And once again, the same property set. So I believe this has done the right thing. And now we've got all of those elements with the right property sets are requested by the exercise. So if you manage to get that done, then you should be able to confirm within your viewer that all those elements have the right properties and that the properties have the correct values.